I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 a month in affiliate marketing commissions promoting a software. Now, as you can see, I've made over $150,000 just with one of the software companies that I promote. And I promote over 40 software companies that pay me every single month. Now, this method that I'm going to show you is going to completely blow your mind, but it's only going to work for those who take action. And this will work if you're a complete beginner, because this is how I started in May of 2019, where I went on to quit my job in March of 2020. Let's get into the video. Let's dive right into it. Okay. The first thing is I want to help you get to the $1,000 per month in reoccurring commissions. I think that could be life-changing for most people watching today. Okay. So to do that, we need 25 trials of Funnel Freedom. Okay. So that means you're going to get people to get Funnel Freedom, which is a paid subscription. And, you get 25 trials that brings you as the affiliate about $1,000 a month. Okay. How are we going to do that? And we're going to be creating blogs and YouTube videos, but specifically, and this is where it gets fun, is we're going to help businesses get leads. Okay. It's going to be super simple because I've done all the hard work for you. Okay. At least most of the hard work for you. Okay. So the way it's going to work, and let me just show you. Okay. So I'm going to skip around a little bit, but if we go to this second part here, it says how to get the Funnel Freedom funnels and automations. We create this document for you guys. Okay. So if you click on this document, it's going to pull up this spreadsheet. Okay. Now you're going to love this. Okay. Check this out. So you'll see that we have different funnels and automations for different businesses. Okay. So this is where it gets really fun. We've created one for acupuncture, agencies, basement waterproofing businesses, CDL job businesses, concrete businesses, dog pooper scooper services, like literally like some of the top business models that you can think of. Okay. This is where it gets kind of cool, right? So what you can do, and this is how you're going to make money, right? We're going to create YouTube videos. We're going to help businesses get leads, right? So businesses are looking on YouTube, right? We're going to call this YouTube, and they're searching how to get leads for, whatever, carpet cleaning business. Okay. So they're searching on YouTube for that, right? So when that happens, they're going to see your video and you're going to show them the automation that I've created for you. Okay. So in this example, okay, let me show you one right here. Okay. So this is a solar one. Okay. So I've already created this out for pretty much all the businesses here. Okay. So you'll notice the solar, if I open this up, it's already done. Like literally you can go find 10 solar businesses and say, hey, I have a way for you to get leads. I'm going to give you the automations, the emails, the funnels, the text messages, everything. Okay. As you can see, it's all ready to go. And that's it, right? So to get this, right? So you'll have the funnels. And then if we go back and then under automations, we also have all the automations to go with it, right? So, we have a way to nurture, right? And this is specifically for solar, okay? So you'll notice inside of here, there'll be a sequence on nurturing, right? So all people have to do is just literally copy and paste their business in there. Okay. That's the whole goal. So for you as the affiliate, the whole goal is you're teaching people how to get leads. And then in your YouTube video, you're just saying, by the way, click on my link to get Funnel Freedom. So you would get an affiliate link, or you would get an affiliate commission. And then you would show them how to get access to whatever funnel it is that they want. So if it's a concrete business, right? So, and you can see kind of like the power of this. So if I go to YouTube, you'll see how to get clients for, right? So let's try that one. How to get clients for, and then acupuncture, boom, video editing, cleaning business, car detailing, photography. But you'll see, guys, like I have a lot of these things in here. There's a lot of things that we're adding, as you can see. These are all coming as well. Okay. So many new things are coming, as you can see, but we have already 100 done for you guys. Okay. So that's the power of this. Okay. So what's even better about this is I'm even going to let you post it on my YouTube channel. Okay. And I'm going to show you how you can do this as well. But let's go through this document here. Okay. I want to walk you through kind of how this is all going to work. So you'll get access to this document. Basically, it just kind of walks you through what I'm doing. Okay. So obviously the first thing is you want to make sure you're an affiliate for Funnel Freedom, because that's the affiliate software that has basically all these things here. Okay. Now the next thing is I'm going to walk you guys through my journey and my progress. So you guys make sure to watch this, make sure to stay active inside of this group. So if you click on this post here, I'm going to be posting basically what I'm doing. Okay. So you'll notice right here, this is a guides feature. Let me see. So right here, guide number 5, how to make monthly commissions. So that all the updates, I'm going to be posting them in here. Okay. So Let me show you where to find that again. So if you go to Funnel Freedom, you'll click on the guide section here. Okay, this is the Funnel Freedom Facebook group. If you click on the guide section, again, just scroll down to guide number 5 right here. And I'm posting, like, all my progress will be posted in here, okay? So just a heads up, or you can click on this link, okay? Second thing, how do you get these automations, right? So if you let's just say you're trying to help a carpet cleaning business get leads. How can you import that into your Funnel Freedom account or, their Funnel Freedom account, okay? Super simple to do, okay? You go to this document. It's gonna go to this document here, okay? So let's just say, for example, we want to do the carpet cleaning one, okay? So what you would do is you would copy the snapshot ID, okay? So you copy this number here, you're gonna Control-C or copy it, and you're gonna fill out a simple form. So you're gonna click on this form, and essentially you're gonna add your name, you're gonna add your email for your Funnel Freedom account or whatever account it is, your snapshot ID, this is the ID again, that's right here, okay? This is the snapshot ID. Now location ID, this is your Funnel Freedom account, okay? Now let me show you where to find this real quick, okay? Inside your Funnel Freedom account, you're gonna go to settings right here, and you'll notice under business profile, under settings, this is where you find the location ID, okay? So you can copy that, there you go. And this will import that snapshot, okay? So this one right here, again, this is the carpet cleaning one. Again, if you want, for example, a dog training snapshot, okay, just copy that, paste that there, import, it'll go right into your account, okay? Now, again, you're not only getting the funnels, you're getting the automations to go with that, okay? So really, really powerful stuff, guys. So like when you're teaching people how to get these leads, it's really important that you're teaching them like, hey, this is how you set up the appointment no-show. This is the automation, right? So basically you just go through these and you help them set these up, okay? That's the whole goal. But we're giving this to them, okay? That's the entire goal. So again, I can't do these by myself. I was planning on doing it and I still will, but I can't do literally hundreds of videos. So what I propose to you is, you're gonna wanna make videos on how to get leads for, or how to get clients for, how to get customers for, any of these, right? Any of these things here. And then you teach them how to use Funnel Freedom and the done for you funnels and automations. What you can do then after that is you could start getting people to get a Funnel Freedom account, get a trial. And that's how you start building this account. Okay. Very, very powerful. So again, how to get clients for, dog walking, right? So you can see, there's not a lot of videos on it, guys. Like these are 2 years, 3 years old. There's a lot of potential in here, So like, I'm really excited about this, this is something that I think it's going to do really well. Okay. So last thing here in this document, I say, if you want me to post your video. So let's just say you make a video on, how to get leads for dogs. I will post it on my YouTube channel or blog, and I will even let you add your affiliate link. Okay. So I've never done anything like that, but basically if you want to do that, I have another little survey here. So essentially you just add your full name, your email, which business did you make the video about? So, let's just say, you did concrete services, you would copy that. This would be the video or the Google Drive link to the video. So whatever YouTube video it is, dog walking or whatever it is, and then your Funnel Freedom affiliate link. That way I can put your link in the description. Okay. So I'm going to post the video on my channel, which is almost 100,000 subscribers. But instead of posting my affiliate link, what I'll do is I'll post your affiliate link, right? So you'll notice here, right here, my first link is obviously my own Funnel Freedom. If you decide to do the video and you submit, I'll go ahead and post your link here, okay? Now, I'm not guaranteeing I'm gonna do everyone's video. Like it depends, right? So, but I'm gonna try to post most of these videos, okay? So this is not guaranteed, but just make sure to make a really good video. It makes sense. And then, yeah, I'd love to help you guys out for sure. And then you gotta add your affiliate link here. So to do that, make sure to go to affiliates.funnelfreedom.io. And this is the affiliate link here. So you would copy your affiliate link, paste that there, and you would submit that, okay? And then I would, the whole goal is to hopefully post your videos, okay? I do plan on doing like a live Zoom and kind of really kicking this off. I just really want to get this video out. And then last thing here is I'm going to start doing this myself. So if no one does this, it's fine. I'm still going to do this. My first video is going to be about solar though, just so you guys know, okay? So if you want to kind of see which video I'm doing, I'm going to do it about solar. So you guys can kind of model what I'm doing if you want. So yeah, I'm going to do this one right here, okay? I believe that there's a lot of potential with solar. So yeah, that's where I'm starting. You can start wherever you want. So yeah, let me know if there's any questions. Again, I'm going to be posting everything in this guide number 5. Make sure to go inside of here. This is where you get the document inside the Funnel Freedom group. So you'll notice here, if you click on this, this is where you get access to this video and document and all that good stuff. Okay. All right, guys, we'll talk soon and God bless.